So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of pages over time. I can go around onto this one or this one, and you can see that I got different pages right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete out these pages. So let's say I want to delete this particular page. In that case, you can hover around over here and then click on the three dot button, and then you can go around onto Noob to Trash right here. So once you go ahead and do that, that particular page has been deleted. So if you were to go around onto trash, let's say for example, then you can see the files that has been deleted right here. So you can see that this is last edited by and so forth. And you can see that these are all the deleted files. You can go ahead and restore out these files right here just like this. And these are all of the deleted pages right here just like this. So whenever you actually delete, it's actually moved on to the trash, and you can simply restore it if you want. But if you want to really go ahead and delete it out for sure, then you can simply go around and click on delete from trash. Then you can see that you get a warning that the page is going to be permanently deleted. So you can go ahead and simply delete it out permanently as well. So you can restore it out or you can delete it out. You can also go around and search for deleted contents over here in the trash right here as well. And you can see that I got different pages that I can search for and so forth, just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and delete out pages inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.